This video will demonstrate the proper procedure for replacing a worn out or damaged installation or removal pawl. Before removing the pawl, let's go over the pawl kit. The replacement pawl kit has the following components: 1 pawl, 2 springs, and 2 pins. Using a paper clip, push out the pin that is located inside the pin hole. Please keep in mind the components are under tension. Take out the pawl and spring from the slot. Insert the spring into the mandrel. Insert the pawl into the slot. Now, there are 2 methods of installing the pin into the pin hole. Method 1. Visually, line up the pin hole to the pivoting hole while pushing down on the pawl. Continue to push down the pawl while sliding the pin through. Check functionality by pushing down the pawl. Method 2. While pushing down on the pawl, slide a paper clip through both components about halfway. This will help line up the pinhole and the pivoting hole, acting as a temporary pin. Please keep in mind the components are under tension. Check functionality by pushing down the pawl. With the pawl replaced, you're ready to take on your next project. Thank you for watching the KATO pawl replacement video. For more information, please visit our website.